Okay, so the first way I would recommend going about solving this problem would be to convert the 5 that you see here as a whole number into a fraction. And we can convert any whole number into a fraction by just taking that whole number and putting it over 1. So now that we've done that, we can take 2 over 5 and divide it by 5 over 1. And when you divide fractions, it's basically a two-step process. So what you do is you would the first thing you do is just leave this the same. I'm going to write it over here. So 2 over 5, this doesn't change, but one thing that does change is this will become a multiplication sign. And then this fraction over here on the right will get flipped. So that will become 1 over 5. And then we handle this as if we were just multiplying. So we multiply across and across. So 2 times 1 just equals 2. And 5 times 5 equals 25. And instead of getting 2 over 1, we actually get 2 over 25, and this is our correct answer. I'll give you one more example. Let's say we had something like 3 over 7, and we wanted to divide this by 7. Well, the first thing we can do is take 7 and convert it into a fraction, and we can do that by just taking the whole number, putting it on top, and then putting a 1 on the bottom. And finally, we'll just rewrite that here. So we have 3 over 7, and we are dividing it by 7 over 1. And remember, there's basically 2 steps, but 3 if you want to just count, leaving the first fraction the same. So it's 3 over 7. That doesn't change, but the division sign will become a multiplication sign, and the fraction on the right gets flipped. So that becomes 1 over 7. And now all we need to do is just multiply across. So 3 times 1 equals 3, and 7 times 7 equals 49. And 3 over 49 is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I would consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more tutorials related to mathematics. And if you are interested in online tutoring, check out the description of this video. You may find something helpful.